Hello, good morning. My name is Ailada Mengkam, student ID 090.
Hello, my name is โสภณิช โฉมงาม student ID 089
This is Linford, Switzerland. I want take to go because Linford is a waterfall with a very beautiful view. I want to go on a boat to see beautiful view and do various activity. What is remarkable is the largest waterfall in Europe. They are spectacular. View the watery is Amorgine Fall in Agen. The rocky rapids forming a scattering mist that cover on over.
Here there are activities to do such as cruising to see the beautiful view, take a walk to admire the atmosphere of the waterfall, and admire the nature. There is also a place to shop. Jenny from Thailand. Train from fly from Bangkok from Suvarnabhumi International Airport to Search Airport Intake Air Proximity 13 Tower and Tower to Rainfall by train. Thank you.